Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So guys, I am right at the entrance of Mega Mart, guys. I'm gonna take you onto Old Greenvale Road in Mandeville, Manchester, guys. So keep on watching. This channel is all about our beautiful island Jamaica, guys. So keep on watching. So I'm gonna make the left turn, which would take us onto Old Greenvale Road, guys. Can see a lot of traffic in the morning in Mandeville, Manchester, guys, on Old Greenvale Road. Yeah, man, so big up on yourself. Anyone I watch from yard or abroad, you can big up on yourself, my people. So know something about Jamaica and also our beautiful parish, Manchester, guys. Very clean parish, very cool parish, guys. You can leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about beautiful Mandeville, Manchester, guys. Telling us that Jamaica nice people, having some nice weather in the morning. Very nice weather, guys. So we are heading towards Greenvale roundabout, guys. On your left you have the Balvenie Heights. If you make the left turn right here, guys, it will take you all to Balvenie Heights. But we are heading towards the Greenvale roundabout, guys. So now, guys, we're at the Greenvale roundabout, guys. Watch the rest here across the road now. You have to watch them, you know. You have to look out for them people here across the road, my people. So guys, Coming up on your right, if you make the right turn, guys, will take you all to Chappick's View Hotel, guys. Chappick's View Hotel, Mandeville, Manchester, guys. So guys, we're now in the Hatfield area, guys. Hatfield area, guys. Yeah, man. So guys, we're heading towards the Kingsland area.